Welcome to Filmoments tutorials. In this video I will show you how to make a public profile on Snapchat. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe and hit the bell button to be updated with our latest upload. Basically this tutorial is for Android, but this still apply for iPhone users. Now let's open our Snapchat app. Tap on your profile at the upper left. Now tap on the three dots beside Add to Spotlight. Then tap on Create Public Profile. Just tap on Continue till you see this Create button. Click Create and it will start creating you public profile. After that, hit Done. Now scroll down and you will see this new option in here, which is My Public Profile. Let's tap on it. So this is basically your public profile and you can try to preview your public profile in here. Also you can edit your profile to make some changes like add profile picture, add profile information and show your subscriber count. You can delete this public profile at any time you like just by tapping the settings button at the upper right. Then at the bottom, tap on Delete Public Profile. For more how-to tutorials, please subscribe or click our other videos to keep on watching.